And number 16 has some subtraction on the left side of the equal sign with two logs, which means that we are going to divide those logs inside, or divide those arguments inside the same log. Okay, so that x plus 5 comes first, it's in the numerator, divided by x. And at this point, I guess let's just talk about it. What is the base on this? Okay, if there is a log and no specified base, it's in base 10. That's what the log button on your calculator is. That's what its base is. You have to specify if you want any other base. Okay? Let's also talk about our domain real quick. So that x cannot be 0, and it cannot be less than 0. This x plus 5 also needs to be greater than 0, which means x needs to be greater than negative 5. Okay, so if it's greater than 0, it's greater than negative 5. So this isn't really a restriction on our domain. This is kind of the limiting factor. We have to have a positive x value. Okay? So now that we have two logs on either side of the equal sign, logs of the same base, so their arguments have to be the same as well. X plus 5 over x has to be equal to 45. So x plus 5 needs to be equal to 45x. Subtract x from both sides, you get 44x equals 5. X equals 5 over 44. And that's positive, so that's the solution.